Hey friends, this is the A1 mountain bike helmet by Troy Lee Designs. And I'm not joking when I say it's probably my favorite helmet that I've ever owned. So I want to show you a couple of features so you can understand why I absolutely love this helmet. First off, the overall fit is really nice. It comes down a little bit lower here in the back. You really feel like you get some good back of head protection. It's obviously got the adjustable wheel. This is something that is just a game changer. Don't get helmets that don't have this adjustment. And then inside the helmet, you can see you have the MIPS technology. Really helps add that extra layer of protection for the most important piece of your body, obviously to protect when you're riding. The visor has some cool features as well. You can see there's these little knobs right here and on the inside as well. So it makes the visor really nice and adjustable. And then you can just lever them back down to keep things nice and tight. Now this is the matte black color, but these come in a ton of different color schemes. You can go pick your favorite. So here's a quick look at the helmet on my head. Now I've got a fairly small head, so I usually go in the medium range. This is actually a medium large, and so it's a little bit bigger on my head, but it feels super nice. You can see how it kind of comes down in the back there, really giving me a really nice, just perfect fit, it feels like. Again, one of the most comfortable helmets I've ever worn. There's plenty of room for really large frame sunglasses to come back and fit on your face and not be banging into the upper part of your helmet. Again, everything feels really nice and snug there. And it even comes with a really nice protective helmet bag. So when you're storing it, you don't get scratches and things like that from maybe other tools or whatever else you have in the back of your truck. So that's it. That is the Troy Lee Designs A1 mountain bike helmet. Absolutely love this thing. Huge thumbs up from us.